Pangunahin sa mga pinag-usapan ng komite ang House Bill No. 783 na naglalayong buwagin ang National Anti-Poverty Commission Senior Citizen Sectoral Council. Ang panukalang batas na ito ay inihain ni Senior Citizen Party List Representative Rodolfo Ompong Ordanes. Ang panukalang batas na ito ay alinsunod sa pulisiya ng Estado na itinataguyod ang integridad, pagiging transparent at pagdodoble ng hindi kinakailangang proseso sa operasyon ng pamahalaan. Ayon kay Representative Ordanes, layon din ng panukalang batas na ito na tulungan ang mga nahihirapang senior citizen at para malaman nila kung sino ba ang talagang dapat nalapitan.
By supporting this measure, we are not diminishing their voices. We are amplifying them by focusing resources and authority into a single, robust, and accountable agency.
Sa pagtalakay ng panukalang batas, naging mainit ang pagpuna ni Committee Chairperson Gloria Macapagal Arroyo sa ilang mga ahensya ng gobyerno na hindi naglahad ng kanilang mga opinyon ukol sa House Bill No. 783.
We leave it to the discretion of our legislators in Congress regarding this House bill. The NCSC shall be submitting its position paper as soon as approved by our Chair Mercy.
You're not ready?
It's still being studied by our Chair.
Cannot be like that. Paper. You're given enough notice. You're given 3 days notice. Still, you're the one. In fact, you're the one that has the most interest in this particular. And in this particular bit, I would suppose you would have the opposite opinion of NAFC, but you're not ready. It cannot be like that. You cannot come to a hearing and not be ready. I think we should write a letter to the chairman of the commission to say that the people they said should be ready.
Ayon pa sa kongresista, hindi tama na hindi na pag-aaralan ng mga ahensya ang panukalang batas dahil anya matatagalan naman ng komite sa pagbibigay ng desisyon ukol sa mga panukalang batas. Hindi pa naaprubahan ng komite ang panukalang inihain ni Representative Ordanes, ngunit muli itong tatalakayin ng komite sa susunod nilang pagdinig. Para sa totoong balita sa Bagong Pilipinas, Julian Bunag, Congress News.